welcome back, my people. Welcome back to the Mac 4K World Tour. Yes, my people, I'm in Montego Bay here, actually on the strip of the airport. On this side, they call it White House or White House. So I'm going to give you a walking tour from here. Go right down to the end of the road there. Yeah, you have Sandals Hotel around this side here, and it's a little residential area. So just gonna give you a walking tour of this area here. So sit back, relax, enjoy the tour. Yes, so right off the strip of the airport. Yes, see a plane lifted up there. Wow. Yes, look at that. American airline. Yes, so I'm just gonna continue walk, go right down to the end of the road and give you a highlight of this era, you know? Yeah, man. See, this is Sandals back gate right here. Sandals Hotel over there, you know? I think it's Sandals Moby, this one here. Right over there is the airport. Yeah. See? No parking, no waiting, no standing, alright? Remember that, my people. So if you come around here, there's certain place you must not park. Alright. So that is the hotel over there. Wow. I feel a few raindrops. Don't know if I can finish this journey. I feel a few raindrops, and the rain is coming over there. You know, maybe I would have to go get my umbrella and finish this one. Oh, another plane lift off right there. It's Delta. Yeah. See the rain over there? Wow. I think I have to get my umbrella. So let I get my umbrella out the car, my people. Yes, I get my umbrella out of the car now, so I continue my journey because I'm gonna finish this one today. Yeah. So that is the delivery area right there. Okay. See another plane there. Yeah. Yes, so this is the entrance for Sandals right over here. Yeah. Hello, my brother. What's up? Yeah. Are you good? I want to do some plane spotting. Yes, but look like we're gonna have to marine. Yeah. Yes.
Alright, so I'm gonna go there.
Yes, man. Take care of yourself here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Sandals here. And people. Whoa, the rain is coming. Yes, it's Sandals Bay. Yes, Sandals Bay, Jamaica. Let's see if I can get that sign over there. Yes, that's it. That's it here. Sandals Bay, Jamaica. See if we can go closer. Yes. Nice here, look like. Yeah. Hi. Yes. So we get caught by the rain. Yes. Yes, yes. So everything is white now. Yeah. Get caught by the rain. Yeah. Wow. All right. We just continue and see where we can go, how far we can go in this video. Wherever I can go, I just end it right there. Yeah. There's a car wash right here. like we have a Southwest Just Land right over there. Yes, Southwest Just Land here. So you have the locals live around this side, and you have guest house around this side, you know, and you have restaurant. But the rain coming down, so I have to take my umbrella out. Okay, I should go over that restaurant and see what they have over there. Even though the rain is coming down, you can take a look in there. Yes. So, evening restaurant. Okay. So this is it, guys. Oh, curry goat, cow food, chicken. Okay, and saltfish. I'll take a look inside here. There's the rain coming down, so I just can just stop here. Hello. Hello. Anybody home? Hello. Yes, what's up? Yeah. I'm just passing. Yeah. I just passing, so I come and check if you have food here. What you have here? Curry chicken, curry goat. Curry chicken, curry goat? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so yeah. I was planning to walk straight down the line here, and, but the rain. Snappers down there, you know. Huh? Snappers right down there. Snappers? Yeah. Really? Mm-hmm. Just a little further. What? Is a restaurant? It's a restaurant. So they have good food here? We have good food as well. You have better food? Which one? Tell me. Yes, I do. Yes, doing a tour. Yes. And come back. Yeah. Okay. So let me show the people around this area here, pretty quick. Okay. So you actually have a beach here. Yeah. Oh. So, okay, guys. This is how it look right here. So when you're in the area, you can come and sit, relax here, and have your lunch. What you serve here? Lunch there.
We got curry chicken, curry goat, fried chicken, curry conch, garlic conch, escovitch fish, curry fish, oxtail, everything that you think of is
okay. There. All right. So.
And we have blending juice as well.
Yeah, the blending juice. Yeah. Okay, nice. All right, so you can come and check.
And sometimes people come here and do photo shoot.
Really?
They do see
scenery.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's here sometimes.
All right then. All right, I'm gonna take a walk down the road and come back here. Okay. So when I'm coming back,
enjoy your walk.
All right then. Thanks. Here. Yes. All right, guys. We just continue our walk. Yes. So. Although the rain is falling, but I have my umbrella. So. And it's nice for a change. Doing a video in the rain. Yes. This is gonna be my first video in the rain. Well, actually, I don't start it in the rain, but the rain catch me. Yeah. Hey, man. What's up? You coming from the sea? You sell those? Huh? You're selling them? How much for that? 3.5. Yeah. Okay. But they don't scale it. Oh Lord. You should have them. Or you just come out the water so they wouldn't scale it. Oh. And the rain is falling, you know? Alright then. You just walk go down the road here. It's a nice little area. Right by the airport here. You get a better view, but guess what? The rain comes, so I just continue doing the video. Yeah. Oh, see another plane taking off there. That is JetBlue there, taking off there. So it's right by the seaside here. You know? Yeah. So the canal there that take the water to the sea. Oh, my umbrella is a little bit too small and the rain is blowing. Wow. Anyway, I'm continuing. Wow. Getting wetter than wet now. You have a restaurant down there? How far? Oh, you have one on the beach? Okay. Not too far. Not too far. Okay. Yeah, I guess we just end this one right out here. Okay, so this is a restaurant here. Seafood. It's right there. Wow, don't splash me, man. We actually, it actually nice walking in the rain. It's cool. Yeah. Yeah. It's a nice house here. Let's see. Oh, no, look. Oh, look at those breadfruit tree over there. A lot of breadfruit on it. Look up there. All the goats need come out the rain. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. It's a goat no like water still, you know. But still going on. Yeah. Well, look like I can't go no further enough, people. I have to finish it right here. It's more look like how the rain coming down. Wow. All right. Yeah. Let's see. It would be nice if we did have a bright day for this one. All right. See if I can actually go a little more down the road here. Don't wet me. Yeah. That is so nice of them. They will still wet you. Stay up on the bank inside here. So over there is the airport. White out. White out. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so right there is the fire station for the airport. Right over there. Yeah. Well, we're doing good so far in the rain here. Yeah, yeah, it's coming now. It's walking in the rain. Yes. Plane landing in the rain. Okay, my people, this is it for this one. All right, remember to like, share and subscribe, and I see you in the other one. Bye bye for now. All right, yeah, that's it for this one.